For CFD engineer, a lot of times the post-processing, visualizing the results, writing out the data that you need, is often the most time-consuming aspect. So Azore has tools to help automate this process. So using JavaScript-based journal file. It's JavaScript-based, but it's pretty intuitive even if you're not familiar with JavaScript. You would define, when you start a project, you would set up one of these files and define the plots and the data that you want. And then say you run 25, 26 design iterations of this model. You essentially use the same plotting script to output the plots and the data that you need using the same journal file. So I'd say run script. Select, you can see how Azore churns through the journal file and writes out the results and data that you need. And the last step would be to take all those plots and put it into a report, PDF report like this. These plots came out of Azore, and then you can throw on some statistics that you need to help convey the results, and then move on to the next step.